How's it going today, guys? So today we're going to be covering a 2019 Nissan Sentra. This is going to be the SV trim level, which is going to be the mid edition. The Sentra comes standard with a 1.8 four-cylinder engine combined with our CVT transmission. Being an SV, you do get the 16-inch aluminum wheels. You get a push-to-start ignition, backup camera, Bluetooth, and then the intelligent key as well. The intelligent key is going to allow you to unlock and open your car with having your key inside your purse, your pocket, and not ever taking it out. The way that function works is going to be this button right here. One press is going to open your door. Now taking a look at the inside, you'll notice that the inside is a little bit different. We do have a brand new 7-inch screen display. This display actually brings in Apple CarPlay and Android Auto into the table, so those are features you now have. You also get the dual climate control on the SV trim level, which just allows you to have two different temperatures coming out of the AC. As far as leg space, it's pretty spacious. Gonna be pretty similar to the previous generations, although this year we did add 2 USB cord charging ports to the back seats. Your cup holders are gonna be still in the middle seat, as well as some on your door handles. And trunk space is also going to be improved. It's a lot bigger. You can fit a lot more equipment for people that do like to carry things in the trunk. I know I'm going to be one of those. And I will do one final quick walk around. It is a short little video. I didn't mention that the car does come with an emergency automatic braking. What that feature does is it helps prevent accidents. If the car ever feels you get cut off and you don't have enough time to react, it's going to give you a 3-second visual and audible alert. If you do not react, the car will try and brake itself. That's going to be our 2019 Sentra. Any more questions, please contact Nissan of Tustin.